Okay, so pretty excited about this knife. I love Kershaw knife. They're always so inexpensive. They're always great knife. And again, I'm a big fan of this one. This one right here in particular is a little bit more than the budget knife, but it's a really cool knife. And we're going to do an unboxing. It's going to be the Kershaw Iridium folding knife. And again, we're going to do a quick unboxing here for you guys to check it out. So let's go ahead and open this up. Not try to destroy the box completely. Nothing in the box. A little bit of information here. It says scans to get some information. And you're gonna have the knife right here, and it feels great. Actually, wow, it looks really nice. Let's take a closer look here for you guys to see this knife. It looks really nice. Just a first impression, it's gonna be that it looks like a really cool knife. I love the tones. I love how this is like a dark gray, and then you have this brown kind of gold color going on here. It contrasts really well. I gotta tell you, it does. It looks like it's gonna be carry tip up. You can kind of see the tip there, and you can see the clip right here. And obviously, you're gonna be able to rotate it, so you could go either size, right? But it's gonna be tip up. It looks really fantastic. I gotta tell you, it looks nice. Let's go ahead and open it up. And wow, that deployed it really nice. Let's take a quick look right here. I gotta tell you, I like this knife. I like the whole aesthetics, how the knife look. I think it looks really nice. It's a cool little knife. So we're gonna take a quick look right here. It has a different way to close. So just to kind of show you right here, this is actually a liner lock, which is this right here. You kind of press on it, and then you can lock the knife. There's also a frame lock, but this one in particular is not frame all liner. As you can see, you don't see nothing right there, right? So in order to close the blade, all you have to do is press on this right here, kind of press back, and then you can lock that blade, right? I'll give you a quick look here. So I believe they call that a dual lock system, but again, kind of give you a look right here. We're going to deploy this again. You have the studs right here, so really easy. You push it out and it deploys really well. The blade is going to be 3.4 inches. It's going to be D2 steel, which is a common steel. A lot of knife manufacturers use that. It says Kershaw right there. Gonna have a little bit of information right here, and I love the style of this blade. The handles are gonna be gray aluminum handles, and again, they look really fantastic. They're not as grippy as other handles out there. For instance, this is like a nylon reinforced, and this feels a little bit more grippy, right? So this one's not going to be as grippy, but it does look really fantastic. The knife is going to be about 7.9 inches. Open it up again. Love opening this knife off. This blade is going to be spear point, and it's going to weigh about 3.3 ounces. So I'm just going to go ahead and give you a look right here, a closer look, so you can have an idea. You can kind of see this side right here, kind of see closer look here of the clip, so you can have an idea. It's a very elegant knife. You can kind of see the top right here with this contract and color. Again, a little bit of jimping right there, as well as the studs. Kind of see the blade right there. This blade is really nice, right? We're gonna go ahead and look at this side right here, just so you can get really good idea how it looks. And again, looks like a really cool knife. Let's close it up. Let's go ahead and deploy it. It deploys really nice. Gonna do a little bit of testing right here. Let's go ahead and do this. See if it comes out, and then let's try this blade. Came out really easy. And let's go ahead and try this, right? That's nice. Definitely sharp. There you have it, guys.